How to move the taskbar to top, left, right in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to move the taskbar to top, left, right in your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first. But before that, you need to right click on this PC and then go with properties. And under properties, you need to go with system protection. And from system protection, make sure that these are turned on. And then go with create. And here you need to create a restore point. So go with a name. I'll go with demo and then create. Create a restore point. Once the restore point has been created, now you just need to simply go back and then you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search and search for Explorer Patcher. Hit the enter. And here you will have majorgeeks.com. You will have download Explorer Patcher. You need to click on it and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you may have a download option. You just need to simply go and download it. You can go with download and remove this ad and it will start the downloading process. As you can see that the download has started, you can go with the top right and the setup has started downloading. Once the setup has been downloaded, you can just simply go back and now you just need to simply go with your start menu and you will see some changes in your start menu. Or you can also just simply right click on your taskbar and then just uncheck the option of lock the taskbar and you will have your taskbar on your right or your left or on your top. But before that, make sure that you have restarted your laptop or your PC. Once installing the setup, you need to restart, and after restarting, you'll be able to use your taskbar or you'll be able to move your taskbar on top, left, right in your Windows 11. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.